everyone, so Energetica India is here at the REI Expo final day, where we are bringing you the latest insights from the renewable energy experts. So today we have with us Mr. Ashok Kumar Singh, President Solar Novasis. Hello sir, how are you?
Hi, fine. How are you doing?
I'm good too, sir.
Good.
So sir, my first question is, could you tell us a bit about the products that you have showcased at the expo this year?
We have definitely showcased TOPCon module, and two modules are there in TOPCon. One up to 600 in M10, and then G12R, that is up to 650 watt peak.
Okay. So sir, how are your products, contributing to the Make in India initiative?
Basically, we are from India, so module is manufactured in India,
Okay.
and basically focusing on DCR module as well. So on a cell front, we are using domestic cell as well, apart from cell from imported cells and all. So of course it is we are promoting Indian products. We are coming to cell manufacturing as well. So it will be, and backward integration is also going on, cell, then wafers, and then frame.
Okay.
So we'll be coming up with all maximum 80% at least will be made in India.
Okay. So what are your plans if there is a sudden shift in technology or if there are supply chain disruptions because of the geopolitical situation?
I would say now monopole technology is stable. This TOPCon module is in demand and stable product. So this technology should exist for at least 5 years. There should not be much changes in that. That is why our infrastructure is also aligned to these technologies, and customer is accepting this new product with higher efficiency. So it should not be a problem for a challenge for anyone.
Okay. So sir, could you also tell us about your expansion plans in terms of capacity or any new facilities that you
Yes,
have?
we are reaching to 2.4 gigawatt. Currently, we are having 1.4 gigawatt capacity, and then we are adding up one more gigawatt, and then in next 12 months, I would say rather, coming with the cell manufacturing.
Okay. So that answers all my questions. Thank you so much for your
Thank